Hello and welcome back again, my friends, with the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video, and as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader in the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and a day trader in 30 minutes, and you fan down trappage, so you choosing which one you want depending on your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today, guys. So as you see here, the Bitcoin was it done today. Here, what else we said here? We said here we got an inside bar, and Bitcoin is showing to us it's breaking down here. As man, the Bitcoin is going to fall down here to test again the 200 moving average, as you see it here in blue, and the one here as you see it here, that plus that yellow one here. What that indicating? That it's indicating for us, let me show it to you. That's what it's indicating, guys. As you see, that one here, the down one, that one is the 50 moving average, the simple one. And that one here with blue, that one is the 200 moving average. And as you see it here, it's crossing above. That's something good. But in the weekly, also we are near to cross below. It's going to happen in the first time of the history of the Bitcoin. So even that one, you need to be careful about it. If the Bitcoin fall down more, it's going to break down. That's what us we've been telling you all along. So tell now, what should we do? Technically here, either from here is going to fall down here to that level here to test the 200 moving average. Then after that to go up, or we got another scenario. Maybe it will not fall down till there. The other scenario we got, as you see it here, that trend line here, that one will get broke here. Maybe tomorrow we're going to see the market going up, because that one it's normal. It needs to go back to test it again. Then after that to go back up. But me, now my view to it, and I tell it to the people they follow me in my Telegram channel. By the way, if you are new here, we got a Telegram channel where we give an analysis more than here. When we break here in the 4 hours, I told them to enter short. Now the people they follow me, they are going down short with that one. And I'm going to tell you why all that is happening today. So let's analyze here in the daily for picture to get more clear to you and to know what else we been saying all along. Also here in the daily, what else we said down here in that level here and that level here. What else we said about that two levels like that? We said over here it gave us like a very well-known pattern or wake of pattern. It came here now, and there is no power to break here above. So the one here, what it's giving us here, it's not something healthy. That's something not healthy, guys. Now either it's going to fall down again, or either from here it will going up, because as I told you every time, market is working with waves. Now what should we do us here? People they are with me, they enter short, and even you, if you haven't entered short, you can enter short now, or you can close the profit you enter from here down, because you don't know, maybe from here is going to fall down again. You need to be careful about those things, and I'm going to tell you why. Us now we are worried maybe it's going to fall down. And here, what else we said last Friday, like today. By the way, today when the daily candle finished, I'm going to come back to you and to put for you the new two lines. We said over here in the top, that where it is the calls, and here down, that where it is the puts. So those people here, where they are here at 22k, they have all the whole day today. If the market close above 22k, they are going to collect it premium. If it stay like how it is now we are now 21,859. They need to buy the Bitcoin from that level here, and also show you the big volume here, and then they put it there. That meant for them it's going to be cheaper for them to buy Bitcoin. That's another story, because then they make it like that. They said the Bitcoin is going to go back here, then after that to go back up. Even that one is a scenario, but also we don't need to believe that one or that one. Also, we believe in what our eyes is telling us. Also, in the 4 hours, the market is telling us it's breaking. Here in the daily, we used to have here an inside bar. It's breaking down. So that's it. We enter. If we are wrong, then also we're going to close everything and we open a new buy order. Everything is together, guys, here. Now, let me show you why the market is reversed like that. Because some major news came today and bad news. Let's pick it like that. Let's go in there. So the news is it that one. As you see, that one is the baddest news what happening in America. Crypto exchange Kraken agreed to shut down staking following SEC charges. The SEC want to ban staking in America, and that one is very bad news. And as you see it here, because they saw investors, they run away from stock exchange, they go into cryptocurrencies, because cryptocurrencies they given more reward compared to the dividends. So that's why then they doing those things. That one is very, very, very bad news because people, when the crypto they are falling, what they doing? They stake it. So they started earning the reward. So that's something bad. And like people in Twitter, they being saying, now we're going to see only BlackRock and JP Morgan, they are going to stake. Retail investors, they can't stake now their crypto. And that's what us we're talking about here. So if you are American, I'm so sorry for you. Try to run away like majority of American people. And no, they go to Dubai. Even you do the same thing, run away to Dubai. Me, it's left for me few months or 1 year maximum. And I'm going to run away. Even me, even you do the same thing. Try to run away. Find a place. Where is it? Crypto friendly. That's the new world we are in now. I don't want to go more than that. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into see the coming news for today. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, as you see it, we don't got something special here. As you see it, we got a lot of news here about UK. As you see, all of them. So when it will not affect the market. Plus, we got here EU Leaders Summit. Even that one doesn't got any relation to the cryptocurrency. Plus here, that table of us, that one. Yes. By the way, if you watch the last video, you know the signal before it's happening. The last video, you just 100 people watch it. Go back and watch it and you're going to find that signal may I give you before even it happened. In the last video, we told you the SP500 and all those ones, they are going to fall down and that's what's happening here. And look at it. All of them, they are falling. All of them, they close in the day. Red here. And another thing here, the VIX. What's it done today? Look at it. It go back above 20. At Mascarnes, it came back again. And people, they are scared from the housing sectors. I told you the housing sector in America, it's a big problem and a big dilemma till now. Because interest rate, when is it high, the houses, they are free, falling now. It's a big problem in that country. I don't know where they are going to solve it. And inflation, what can I say? You know, when there is someone is very fat, I don't laugh at about the fat people, but when there is someone got a lot of fatness in him and he went to train, when he started in the first days running and those things, he was started losing a lot of weight. But his body will reach to a level, then he's going to start losing half kilo per week. And after that, he will losing grams. The same thing here happening. Inflation, in the first days, when we used to be 9, it started falling very sharply. Now we reached to 6. And that's where is the big dilemma now. And the Fed, they said they wanted to reach to 2%. That's where you see the Fed is hurting people. So let's hope that 2023 is going to be the end. I think picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicator in the daily. Because we got something very special for you in the daily. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. Look with me here. We're being here at the overbought area. Now look where we are. We're touching here the daily trend line. If you remember it, from here, and now we are in it again. Now, either from here, we're going to go back upward because that's a normal and a healthy things to come back here to touch it here. Either from here, we are going to go back up and to break that last high here, or it's going to go back and to give us here a divergence. Then after that, it will falling down. Or maybe another scenario is going to break it and to go down till the oversold area. Then also we're going to buy again. Because also we enter from down here till up here. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Over here, what else we said, I just give a picture in my Telegram channel here. When it just breaking here, that candle here, and I do it like that for them, like that. And that 2 weeks, also we've been waiting that break to happen here. It's breaking here, then I tell people to enter short. That's it. Now where we are here near to the 200 moving average. Now we got 2 scenarios. Either from here, it's going to go back up, and that's a scenario, because me I tell people to put stop loss here. At the top of that peak here, might from here it will going back up, or another scenario, it might from here to break for us the 200 moving average. It's going to fall down more than that. So now also what we got 3 things. In the daily, we got the downtrend line and the candle is touching it. Here in the 4 hours, what we got? The 200 moving average. It's a very stronger support. And if you came here and you do it like that, you see it or no? That here is the last high. So you need to be careful with those things me I'm telling you now. People they enter with me, they put stop loss here. That's it. Now for us, if the market reverse for us to enter long, what should we do? Like that. If it came a break in here, you can enter long again. Because it might over here, it just a fake out. It gave us a fake. But me personally, I think we are going to fall down. Because about what's happened from the ECC I think the market is going to fall down. Everything is too clear, guys. So let's wait until tomorrow, Friday. Then also we're going to make very clear decision because tomorrow, Friday, the options, they are going to finish, or Bitcoin options, they are going to finish. So you need to be careful about those ones, what they are going to do, because those ones, they got a lot of liquidity there. If those people, they getting triggered here or assigned from here, they are going to buy the Bitcoin. So it might, tomorrow you're going to see the Bitcoin going up, or it might is going to fall down. Even that one is a scenario. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, if you remember what else we used to have here, that trend line here, every time you used to touch it, then it fall down. Now over here, we enter to the oversold area. Should we looking for a buy opportunity or us to enter long here? It's need that indicator to come to break here. Like how we used to have one here of the daily here. It's getting broke. Even that one, it's need to come to break here. And in the chart to break for us that trend line or to give us a new price action. Till now, there is nothing. In the chart, it just showing to us it's going to fall down more than that. Yes, we are in very stronger levels and those things, but we don't got any price action indicating the market is going to reverse and to go up again. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator was saying. That one here, we've been at the overbought area for long, guys. And that all that long, what else we used to say here? Like that we used to do. We have here a megaphone. Yes or no? And we used to tell you, we wait until the break happening. The break, it happened today, just few hours ago. Should you enter long? Yes, my friend, of course, you should enter long now. That's it. But if you enter that just for swing trading, you need to use stop loss. Stop loss of you, it needs to be here. That's it. We don't know till where it will go. And no one in this planet know exactly where is the Bitcoin it will go. Yes, we got here a very stronger level. We got another one down here. But those ones, they are just levels. As we waiting price action. Price action, it gave us here a megaphone like that. Very clear. Megaphone is getting broke down. It's indicating the market is going to reverse. Like that. That's how we trade. To know exactly the take profit for that one, you do like that. And you do well like that. So it's getting broke here. You do it like that. So the Bitcoin, it will go till that level here. That's it. If you go back, you're going to find it a very stronger supply and demand zone. That level where it is it between 19k and 20k? That level here. That's where is the Bitcoin. It will go till here. That's it. Because the price action is telling us, but that price action dead also we need to follow it 100%. Yes. And we're using stop loss. We don't enter without stop loss. If you enter without stop loss, don't follow me. That's it. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. That one here in the last video, just the last video, we do it like that. I told you we got here a trend line here. And we got another one here. And I told you if the Bitcoin came and break in here, like that. I told you if the Bitcoin came and break in that last low here, enter short. It's break here in that candle. You can find all that in the last video. Just go back and watch it. Before all that fall down happening, we tell you that. Just go back. The video name is SP500, Index Fund, the Nasdaq 100 Index, XY or US dollar analysis. Here, I told you to enter short. Here, exactly. I told you our indicator is telling us we are at the oversold area, but we need a price action. And I told you the only price action you have here is that downtrend here. And me, I told you if it's breaking here, it will go in just till here to touch that one, that trend line we have here. Like that. That was me, I told. So, it came and breaking that last low here. Look where we are. You can find all those things before all that happening here. We used to be like that. Let me show you how we used to be. We used to be like that. Like that, without all those things happening here. I told you if it came and breaking that last low here, enter short. Look at it now. It's break it now. Look here. You came here, you're doing a line like that. That candle here will have you enter short. Look where you are now. Now what should you do now here? Either is going to come a price action indicating the market is going to reverse or is going to continue falling down. And we got something else here. Here in 30 minutes, we got something else. What is it? Look with me here and look with me here. What you got? You got here a down channel now. That's what the Bitcoin giving you here. Give you here a down channel. You see it or no? So it might from here, from that level here, we're going to go back up till it will touch in here. So if we go back up, where should us we enter? Look with me. That trend line here, that one here. If the market came here and breaking here, you enter long till the top here. That's it. Very simple, very clear. Or another scenario, the market will give you here a price action. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator is telling us we are here at the oversold area. So technically now we need to look in for a buy opportunity. Yes or no? For us to enter long, what we need? The market to come to break here. Did the market break? No, not yet. Us from here, I told you the same thing. The market is breaking for us the last low. If the market done like this, came here and touch that trend line like that and fall down again and breaking for you the last low, what should you do? Enter short again. That's it. Because it's breaking here the last low, enter short. Here, intershort, and I told you, even the one in the last video, I told you like that. I told you the market give you here low, high. Now it give you another low. So either it's going to go back to touch the trend line here to give you another low, or it's going to reverse. Everything is too clear, guys? That's it for that video. See you after European market close. Bye for now.